guys, welcome to another Tim's World. Today, I'm going to take you on a very quick tour of the Home 2 Suites here in Orlando, Florida. It's right by the International Drive near the Convention Center, maybe a couple of blocks away. Um, I would say we give it like 3 or 4 minutes of drive away from the Convention Center. So if you decide to stay in this hotel and you have business at the Convention Center, it's going to take about maybe 3 to 4 minutes of drive time. All right. So we just checked into the Home 2 Suites. I'll show you some pictures, or maybe you have seen it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this video, but I'm going to give you a quick tour of the room. Okay. Let me put the key down. Now, I just walked into the door, and right here, I want to show you this a full-size refrigerator. Now, guys, I just wanted to let you know, mind you, I'm just walking in for the first time. And I want to tell you, very, very, very spacious. All right. So it's a very spacious hotel, well, hotel room. So you'll see what I'm saying. Okay. So let me show you the fridge. So yeah, as you see, I haven't shopped yet. So gotta go and buy some groceries. Yeah, and it's a full size fridge. So that's the freezer there. So yeah. Now we're gonna go here. As you can see, there's a microwave here. We got some drawers here. All right, and it swings out. You can see that. Just make sure that you guys can see. Okay. Over here, we have the dishwasher. Like, when the last time you seen a dishwasher in a hotel room, huh? Yeah. So, and then of course you have a couple of dishes here. So that's what the dishwasher's for. You know, a nice sink here, coffee maker. Yeah, the typical stuff that you see, ice bucket at a hotel room. So now, I'm going to show you the room, and we do the bathroom last. But check this out, guys. This room is a very spacious room. So I'm assuming that the couch here opens up to a bed. I'm assuming that. Let's confirm that. Let's see, and it does. So you have a sofa bed here. Okay, you have a nice mirror there. Hey, what's up, Tim? Yeah. Oh, look at this. Check this out, guys. You can swing this open if you're gonna see a little privacy from the sofa bed into your the main room. So let's leave that closed for now. And over here, of course, you have your two queen size beds. Okay. For a minute, I was gonna say, where's the TV? Gotta have a TV here. And here's the TV right there. Okay. You also have a computer desk, which is here. Let me see if I can swing that. Okay, you see that, guys? All right. Nice little closet. Yeah, this is my first time in this hotel. I've never used this hotel. I'm always in the Embassy Suites, Hamptons, and Hiltons. Those are the three main hotels that I stay at. But I wanted to give this a try because it's fairly new, and it's here by the Convention Center. So I wanted to come by, just give it a shot. Now we're going to check out the bathroom. Let's see if we can get this going. Turn the light on. If I could. All right, don't know where's the light switch. Here we are. And it's not there. Guys, bear with me. I think it's out here. So figure, wow. I can't even find the light switch. You believe that? Unless it's one of those sensors. Oh, my God. Well, anyway, I'll figure this out in a minute. But yeah, so anyway, this is the bathroom. I hope you can see it, guys. It's a handicapped bathroom in this room. And yeah, so that's basically it. Man, you can't believe I can't even find the switch for that. Unless it's not working. We need to check that out. Let me see the view. The view here is probably the view of the highway, because that's mostly highway here. Let's see. It automatically goes up. You see that? That's pretty cool. So yeah, got the view of the Hampton, got the view of the front of the hotel, and yeah. So anyway, it's called Home 2 Suites, and it's fairly new. Smells good here. It's really looks very clean, And so come check it out on International Drive, Orlando, Florida. Like maybe 2 miles, give or take, from the convention center, maybe three, a couple of minutes over there. So yeah, and it's right next to International Drive. So you got a lot of activities out there if you want to do something. Maybe about 10 minutes from SeaWorld, half an hour to Disney World, and I think 15 minutes to Universal Studios. And it's right off Universal Boulevard, which will take you straight into Universal Studios. So if you're staying here and you're going there, it's a straight shot. All right, guys. So this is Tim's World. Say thank you, stay safe, and God bless. And I'll see you later.